Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can transfer photos and videos without losing its quality to your PC or your Mac. So go to settings and scroll down until you find the photos section. Select it, you're going to scroll down and you're going to scroll down again until you find transfer to Mac or PC. So you're going to then select the keep originals. It will automatically transfer photos and videos in a compatible format, and it's going to keep the original quality of the photo. I don't want to press it because I don't know if it's gonna mess with my iCloud or something, because I just don't want to, but you're just going to press that and it's going to make the quality better. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!